Hi, I'm Seth, and in this video I'm going to show you just how fast Zotero is. I made another video a couple weeks back explaining what Zotero is and how to use it, but I do sometimes get pushback from people who say, doesn't really seem that fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you how fast it is. Let's say we're writing some paper about psychopathy. We've got one reference, but we want to add another to back up this statement that psychopathy is really more of a dimensional characteristic than a distinct type of personality. So we've got the article that we want to cite. We click on the Zotero extension to add it to our library. We click Add Citation, start typing the author's name, and it pops up. And then just like that, we have our in-text citation, and we have it added to our reference list. So I don't know what other method you're using, but I promise it's not faster than that. Now, you don't necessarily have to use Zotero, but you do need to use some kind of citation management software. This is going to save you so much time. Okay, yep, that's it. Quick demonstration of Zotero. If you want to learn more, check out my other video, link in the description. Bye.